Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday. I also throw in a bonus video throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I have a unboxing. Before I get into this here unboxing, I need for y'all to click on my subscribe button because it really helps out my channel. And with that being said, I'm going to jump straight into this here unboxing. The box came a little damaged, so fingers crossed the items inside are perfectly fine. Take pictures just in case. So yeah, let me go ahead and unbox this. But while I'm unboxing it, y'all, let me just tell y'all really quick. I purchased the Fenty powder foundation, the new powder. Y'all, I don't know what was in that powder foundation, but when I tell you it broke me out really bad to the point where I had to get some Benadryl to take the swelling down. I was like, oh my goodness. And only reason why I know for sure it was the Fenty, because that's the only thing that I used on my face, because like I said, I don't wear makeup like that. And that particular day I did do a review on the Fenty powder foundation. If y'all have the Fenty powder foundation, it has like a slight odor, not an odor, but like a chemical smell or a plastic smell. It smells like something. Not overpowering, but I don't know if that smell caused my face to react and didn't like it. I don't know, but y'all, I had to take it right back. So besides that, it's a good foundation, but it just don't work for me. So I'm gonna double check and make sure, because like I said, this is the first time me applying makeup on my face since that incident. So I have on the Huda Beauty foundation. So yeah, y'all, I just had to let y'all know your girl was out for a little bit. I did some damage. It's nothing big, but oh, it look like a little baby in here, y'all. Look at that. Oh, look at the little baby. Okay, so I guess this is, oh, look, I'm all excited, y'all. Look at the bag it comes with. Oh my goodness. So I guess it's not like the Gucci paper bag that I got with my More Mount. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I'm gonna put it in the bag. So this is how it looks. Oh my goodness, so cute. Hopefully I'm loving it because I don't want to give it back. And I did write myself a little something. What did I say to myself? Let's see. I did have to take my More Mount and my card case into the Gucci store for service, so I will do a separate video on that as well. So again, make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on why I had to send it in to get serviced. Yeah, I sent a every time I purchase, like anytime I purchase from like Gucci, Louis Vuitton, or anything like that, I always write myself a little note. It just says blessings to you, and it's free if y'all wanted to know. And so here is the bag. I'm so excited, y'all. Oh my goodness, I love cute packaging. Like I told y'all before, I'm a sucker for packaging, and I know I'm not the only one. But yeah, let me show you the packaging one more time. Like I said, this is the holiday packaging, and this is something new. I'm not sure when it came out, but yeah, it's something new to the Gucci.com website. So again, I will link this below if it's still available. And oh, look at this, y'all. This is so cute. Yo, this is just too cute. As y'all know, it's something small, and this here is just your Gucci tag. And let me see, do it say, please do not remove this tag, must remain attached for exchange or return. So as y'all saw, they didn't come attached, so here is that. And if I didn't mention, I did get this from the actual Gucci website. I didn't get it from like Bloomingdale's or Nordstrom's, because if y'all didn't know, Nordstrom's and Bloomingdale's do sell Gucci, but I'm sure y'all already know. And I guess they packed these here 3 booklets. Can y'all guess? I'll give y'all a few seconds to guess. Okay. So your girl got her a key pouch. or key, yeah, key pouch. I wanted something different. Now they did have this in pink, but the pink one will not be available until the end of January. Like, I saw it on the website and then it went away, and then I saw it again. So I'm not sure why it's doing that. Maybe because it's not available to purchase as of yet. It looks exactly like this, but this here is pink. But after thinking about it, I was like, okay, I'm gonna just get the black, because y'all, I've been having some issues with color transfer. Like, yeah, again, I will update y'all on that. But I've been having, like I said, I've been having issues with color transfer. So I figured with this hair black, I shouldn't have no issues or problems, because as you can see, with this hair being dark, I don't have to worry about anything, even though the pink looked really, really pretty. But I'm just thinking, with this, I wear it, like, if I use something like this, it's going to be used all the time. There's no way to baby this. So I was like, let me just go get the black, even though the pink looks a lot cuter. But yeah. And I do have, well, I did have the Louis Vuitton six key ring pouch. I did get that to my son, because when he purchased his new car, he was bugging me for it, and I was like, go ahead, Michelle, you can have it, because I don't use it like I used to. With the Louis Vuitton, like, the corner started lifting up, and like the gold was tarnishing and everything like that. So I was like, you know, if he wanted it so bad. So I was like, go ahead, Michelle, you can have it, you can have it. So I gave it to him, and then I was like, okay, let me go ahead and treat myself, because these here things, I love little key pouches. So convenient. Now the only thing with this here key pouch does not have like the slip pocket in the back where you can put a few cards, and that part I have to figure out how I'm gonna how I'm gonna do that. I guess I'm gonna just, when I get my Gucci card case back, I guess I'll just have to always carry my Gucci card case along with this, hoping I can place my key card in here somewhere. So with the Louis Vuitton, this here, you was able to stick a few cards in the back, and I used to stick like my main cards that I would use all the time, like my driver's license, my bank card, and a few other cards. I don't have a whole lot of cards, y'all, but the cards that I had, I was able to put them in the back of this here, in back of my Louis Vuitton key pouch. But I didn't want to order another Louis Vuitton key pouch, only because I just didn't. So when I saw the Gucci, I was like, okay, let me go ahead and try this one out. And this here is a 6 key ring as well. So you have this here loop, I guess, for your card key, and then you have these here small keys here. I don't have a lot of keys, so what I have my card key, my mailbox key, and my house key. Yeah, I think that's it. So I probably won't even use all 6, but with Gucci, I don't think they had something smaller, but for the price, you might as well get, you know, the 6 key ring. In the front, it says Gucci made in Italy. So you have that, and like I was saying, this here, I don't know why. It would have been nice if they would have connected this here at the bottom where you can at least put maybe 1 or 2 cards. Because these here key pouches, like, I would go ahead and like take this, and that's all I would need. Because like I said, I had all my cards in my Louis Vuitton one, or my Kate Spade, or my Coach one. So again, when I go out, I didn't need nothing else. The thing with this, I'm gonna have to play with it to make sure, but I believe you can't put cards in here, because if you do put a card in here, I don't think it will close. That's not a deal breaker for me, because again, I don't want to not utilize my Gucci card case, so that's fine. I just have to carry both, you know, along with me when I go out. But I just thought this was so cute, and it do have like a pocket here. I do my, you know, review on this hair key pouch. I will let y'all know if you can place a what is it, a card, your license or something. You may be able to put your license in here, because as y'all know, the license are real thin. But yeah, I don't think I will put cards in here, because I can see it just falling out. Even if it's closed like this, I just wouldn't trust that, y'all. So I wouldn't put cards in here, because like I said, it's a flap instead of a side pocket. I wonder why Gucci didn't make this like, you know, a little side pocket versus a flap. So yeah, so I'm gonna just show you the card case, and it has Gucci all right here. It had the all leather key pouch, but I like this one better. I don't know, I just felt like this one was a lot cuter, because the all leather one, it just looks just like this, and instead of having the GGs, it's all black leather. Like this here is all one piece instead of having the separation of the GGs. Like I said, I like this one a whole lot better. And with the pink, like I said, the pink one is a lot cuter, but I'm just worried about color transfer, y'all. Like, wait till y'all hear my story. But yeah, I just don't want to fork out that, you know, this type of money for a key pouch and then have to worry about color transfer. Yeah, so here is the key pouch closed, and it doesn't have a back pocket here. So yeah, y'all, I cannot wait to do a review on this here particular key pouch. I may do one tomorrow because I do have a surprise coming in the mail. Girl purchased I ain't even gonna say nothing. Again, make sure you subscribe so you can see what your girl got. And before I end this video, I just want to say thank y'all so much for supporting y'all girl, because y'all been riding with y'all girl with those Marc Jacob totes, y'all. I'm telling you, it's so many. Like, I'll be scrolling through videos, and one video I was looking through, I saw a comment where somebody said, yeah, because of Miss Tamika, I purchased one too. And that just warms my heart, y'all. It just means so much to me that y'all, you know, take my recommendations or even check out things that I showcase here on my channel, because sometimes I feel like nobody watches or cares, but at the end of the day, y'all do, and it just warms my heart so much. And with that being said, you all, if you like this here video, please give this video a big thumbs up, because it helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and my notification bell so y'all can be notified when each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.